today we're gonna do homemade beef pizza. We're making homemade sauce, we're making homemade crust. It's a lot of fun, very quick recipe, very simple. And also we are holding a drawing on Friday for a $25 Walmart gift card. Make sure you like the videos, you subscribe, you comment, hit the little bell notification thing. Once you've subscribed, go down to the comments, put your name and that you have subscribed. And Friday evening, we're gonna give away a $25 gift card to Walmart. Who doesn't like Walmart? I love Walmart. So anyway, let's get started on this pizza. Come on. Okay, to start our sauce, we're gonna add in a can of tomato sauce. Then I am going to put a can of tomato paste. Oh, this is some thick stuff. So, before you add any seasonings, you want to make sure that this is all mixed together. There's no lumps, no bumps, whatever you want to call it. Get it all smoothed out. Now, in here, I have Italian seasoning. I have oregano, minced onion, garlic powder, garlic salt, and sugar. I'm gonna toss those in. Mix it really, really good. I'm gonna toss in some ground black pepper. Look at that. And that's going to sit in the fridge and chill until I get ready to put my pizza together. So that's the sauce. It's a quick, simple, easy sauce. Takes no time to put together. It's homemade. Better than the jar. So back in a minute we'll start the pizza crust. All right, now for our pizza crust, I'll put 1.5 cups of warm water. You don't want it hot, about 105 degrees. You can check it if you don't trust yourself to judge it. Because if you get it too hot, it's going to kill your yeast. I'm going to put about 2.5 tablespoons of, I use the quick yeast, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to give this a gentle mix and I'm going to let it stand and sit for about 5 minutes until my yeast gets foamy. Okay, so you can see how my yeast has foamed up. I'm making 1.5 as far as the volume goes for this recipe. I'm not quite doubling it, but I'm going for my big pizza pan. So I'm just to add 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Kind of mix it around a bit. And then I'm just to add my flour and salt. So I've got my dough hook attachment on there. This is one of the very most favorite things of mine that my hubby bought. I love my KitchenAid. So I'm going to turn it on low for kind of a little bit to let it start mixing. crank it up a bit. To really start working it, you'll have to get a spatula, kind of scrape around, make sure you get everything off the sides of your bowl. Okay. Let that work for a second. Still looks kind of wet. You come back and slowly add a little bit more flour. You don't want much. You don't want to overdo it. Just add a little bit at a time. Let this finish off and I'll be back for the next step. Alright, so our dough is done. I'm fixing to take it out and we're going to move to the pan. Alright, so I'm fixing to flip my dough out my pizza pan. Right. I'm going to throw a little bit of flour on it so it's not sticking to me so bad. And I'm going to start working it how I want it. Back when I'm done. Alright, so I've got the pizza crust in the pan. I'm going to take a fork and just randomly poke a few holes. Now, I'm going to put this in a 450-degree oven for about 5 minutes. You always want to pre-cook your crust for a little bit because if you don't, you run the risk of, by the time you put your toppings on, your cheese getting all melted and turning brown and your crust is still doughy. So anyway, just pre-cook it for about 5 minutes and you should be good. All right, now move it on to toppings. I'm using about 2 pounds of extra lean ground beef. So it's not gonna have much fat. So I added some olive oil. And I'm gonna put in some onion flakes, some garlic salt, some garlic powder, some fresh ground pepper, and just a hit or two of salt. And we're going to let this go and get cooked. I'm going to keep it simple tonight. Only one type of pizza. I'm going to make a beef. I usually do Canadian bacon, beef, pepperoni, you name it, but I don't have the whole crew here, so I'm just going to do one kind. Back when this is done. Alright, so my pizza crust is out of the oven and it is looking good and this kitchen is smelling amazing. So we are about to get ready to top this pizza. Alright, so we are ready to start topping this thing. So first of all, I have grated some Parmesan cheese. I'm going to put it on first. Then I'm going to come with the sauce we made today. Spread some around here. We are not heavy sauce people, so I'll start off small and see how that goes. Yeah. Maybe my crew can eat that without their eyeballs crossing. So, now I've drained my beef. So I'm gonna kind of just scatter it around. Probably make a mess in the process. I'm real good at that. Okay, now I'm going to add some mozzarella. Which I think I have about a pound here. Then I'm going to come back with one final ingredient. And then this thing will be ready for the oven. All right, we have fresh sliced mozzarella. I'm gonna put that down. And there you go. Very easily made. Very good. All the way from the sauce to the crust. Homemade pizza. I'm going to put this in the oven for probably 15-ish minutes. About 450 degrees. Finish this all off, melt it. Finish the crust, which is mostly done. Back when it's done. There you go, fresh out of the oven, homemade beef pizza. So I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to make a homemade beef pizza. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you later.